Okay, so first you're going to set up your magic circle tool with the divot facing you, and then you're going to insert your working yarn, the red yarn in this case, into the top. Then you're going to wrap it around, then wrap it around again to make a little X. Then you're going to insert your hook. Once you have all 6 stitches in your magic circle, you're going to insert a stitch marker in the last stitch. This part is optional, but then you can also put a second stitch marker in the loop where your crochet hook is, so that in case your crochet hook slips out while you remove the magic circle, you can't lose your place. Once that's secured, you're going to pull the magic circle off and then pull to tighten.